Hello everyone, welcome back to the Essential SQL series. Today we are going to learn about self-join. What is a self-join? It is used to join a table to itself as if there were two tables and temporarily renaming at least one of the table in the statement. Let's say you want to find out something from the same table, like the most commonly used example is employees. So you want to know which employee reports to which manager. You can use the self-join to join the table to itself and use the common fields to give the output. First, let's take a look at the syntax. It is exactly the same like your inner join or left join. It is just that the first table itself will be used twice and we will give two different aliases. So it will be like select a dot column name b dot column name from table 1a, inner join table 1b on a dot common field equals b dot common field. Now these two common field is different because if you're matching the same field to itself, there is no benefit. This is similar to the VLOOKUP in Excel, wherein you do a VLOOKUP from one column of the table to another column of the same table. Let's take a look at this in practice for better understanding. So let's first take a look at the employees table here. As we can see, there are employee IDs and then there are some reports to manager names. However, I don't know what is the name of the manager of Laura Callahan. It's just a 6. So what I can do is I can simply join the reports to from first table to employee ID from second table and get the manager name. I will say select e1 dot first name concatenate last name as employee name, e2 dot first name concatenate last name as manager name. From employees e1 inner join employees e2. So we are using self join to join the same table on e1 dot reports to equals e2 dot employee ID. Let's take a look at the output. So as we can see here, Laura Callahan reports, so Michael Mitchell and so on. We have all the employees with their respective manager names. However, we don't know if there is someone who has no manager name, which can basically means they are at the top level. So instead of inner join here, we can use a left join and the output would look like this. And we can see Andrew Adams has no manager name. So this is a very classic case of how we use the self join. That's it for this video. Keep learning. Thank you.